Hello Mr. Jordan, I hope you're well mate. I've actually just got round to watching your video. Absolutely excellent mate, really enjoyed it. I like the way that you used B-roll to show some of the intricacies of what your trip actually involved with your fire making, cooking, all the simple things that tell a story. Bit jealous because I felt like I wanted to be there and enjoy it with you both. So you've done really well, and I'm glad I've watched that now. So what's the next stage?
Stopping me from going. Perfect. Ready, lads? Go for it.
Hi guys, welcome to episode 5. I'm Liam.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Jake.
And we're here at Gisburn Forest in the Forest of Bowland. Absolutely beautiful weather for it. What's the temperature going to be tonight?
1 degree.
Ooh, not too bad.
Not
Not too bad.
We've enjoyed worse.
It's beautiful right now and quite warm actually.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah.
Sun's beaming.
It's about to make our entrance.
We've not really give it much forethought of where to camp.
There's plenty of forest. We're going to find somewhere. We're going to wing this one. Right, let's make our way in, guys.
Let's get a move on. The adventure begins.
Pretty mossy, so.
I'll have my hat back, thank you.
Someone's a little bit wet. I fully went in then, up to my ankle. All my pants wet.
But listen now.
Birds are laughing at me. Right.
Okay, so it wasn't quite what we were expecting in this forest. It's really dense woodland. It's not forgiving at all. Travelling through all this dense woodland and it's just grabbing you, taking my hat off and grabbing my hair and everything. And also quite swampy. as Liam found out a moment ago.
Staring at my socks because I was just up to my ankles in bog.
Swamp juice.
Oh.
On the snacks already?
Oh, I did have breakfast alright.
Even though things haven't gone very well so far, not that we had a plan, it's still nice just being out here.
It's only been 10 minutes.
It's only been 10 minutes, things are going wrong, but it's just lovely being outside and just getting that fresh air, and it's so peaceful, it's so quiet.
Yeah, no people.
I'm glad you guys enjoy yourselves.
Oh, let's do the adventure. Come on now, Liam. It'll be like a tiny little beep. We just found a potential camp location over there, so I've just saved it on my maps. There's that star. If we find nowhere better, we can always come back here. Another potential location there. Not perfect, but something we can always fall back on.
Your arms all mossy.
Beautiful. And a nice little slip.
You might want to buy a fire.
Yeah. That's happened at some point.
Yeah. You really wild camping if something didn't go wrong. Whee!
What have we found here? More sludge.
The green looked so nice. It wouldn't be a wild camping trip. We didn't stop off halfway for a brew. It's got to be done.
It'll be done.
Motivation. Christmas trees over there.
See, we always find Christmas trees now, but we were so proud of it on the first trip when we found that one tree.
It was amazing because it was just in the middle of nowhere.
It's
like
true.
here, obviously there's trees everywhere, so it's nothing special. But out there,
It's so majestic, like a unicorn.
like a gazelle. Oh, a lovely little brew stop. Got some energy, bit of motivation to plough on through this dense forest. Just want to find some flat ground.
I'll hold it up for you while you pass.
Cheers, Liam. Looks heavy, that.
I've held up heavier.
Hold on, it's a long way around, yeah?
Yeah, I'll just stand here.
Yeah, wait. Yeah.
You gonna
Yeah.
hold it up?
Yeah, you hold. I'll hold it. Go on.
it?
Yeah, got it. Go on, mate.
Oh. Just gonna tie my shoe.
That was actually worth it because this is really nice. Very flat, very suitable ground. What an adventure.
Home base.
Found our home for the night. It's not our conventional location.
Yeah, I'm definitely out of my comfort zone.
Yeah, I think probably for the best, you know.
It's very peaceful.
It's gorgeous. It is
Apart
quite
from
nice.
the geese, who have thankfully been being quiet now that we've pressed record.
I just hope that they're not going
Thanks,
to be our
geese.
alarm tomorrow morning.
It's not too cold yet. We just now are conscious of time, and the first thing we're going to do is go collect some firewood. There's no trees around here, so you know we need to collect enough for the night to keep us warm. Right, let's get working. Just gathered some firewood from the trees up there, a few dead branches.
Trying out the axe for the first time.
First ever time.
Nice and dry in the middle.
Not amazing. It's a late fire.
It is
wood,
a late
that.
one.
So we've got the tents up. Now looking to get the tarp up. As you can see, the geese are still keeping us company.
Welcome back to Jordan Makes a Fire. Way!
Wow.
Oh my gosh! That was instant.
Told you boys.
Quick, get some wood on there.
Stick with Jord.
Stick. Hey,
Brilliant.
tell you what, YouTube, he's not just a pretty face.
No, he's not. He's absolutely drop dead gorgeous.
Thanks, Nick.
He's a useless beep. Uncle Jord. Out here looking after the kids.
Think how cool you're going to be when you do that in front of your child.
Think about how cool I'm going to be when I do that in front of your child before you've got a chance to.
Look at that.
You've absolutely smashed that.
Yeah, it's just keeping it. That's the. It's not the best wood, but
Hopefully
with
we
those
can-
fire starters, there's a lot of fuel to get it going. I can hear that it's wet. I can hear the water evaporating. Is this?
Whoa!
Bit of air singe.
Okay.
You had a small haircut, a little off the top.
Just a bit.
Getting rid of them dead ends.
Oi.
No,
Oh, there's more than
No.
one this time.
it's not a party. Go on, Liam.
Gathered a nice pile of wood now. It's just not the driest wood, so
Yeah, it's a bit of a battle to maintain it, but we built our little structure around it, around the outside, which I've sort of stole from another coal cracker video he did about making fires in the snow, which was essentially to make yourself a pit, and then the surrounding bits of wood, they're going to dry out, and then as they dry out, put them on the fire and replace it with another wet piece, and you know, just continue that cycle, and then hopefully we'll have a steady flow of dried wood.
But that one is catching.
It's okay, it's not gonna go mad, is it? But it's a good sign that it's working, I suppose.
Yeah. lot more chilly tonight, isn't it?
Yeah, we're out in the open, not being hugged by the trees. No insulation.
This fire's kept us going, definitely.
Yeah. Putting extra layers on really helps. I was struggling for hours.
I can't believe you got
Getting proper depressed at how cold I was. My layers are in my tent like,
He was
hey
on about-
John, over here!
He was going about his moral, wasn't he, going down? It's
Yeah.
like, bro, you've got stuff on you.
Cold, man. Oh mate, I'll never forget that. I'll just, if I start to feel cold, because obviously I try and man it up as long as I can. I'm not doing that again.
Once you start feeling it, it's too much, you just go and put something on.
Yeah, just
Gonna man it
anything.
down from now on.
Yeah, man it down.
Yeah, man it down. Man it down.
You don't have to be hard.
Yeah, I don't need to try and.
You don't.
We,
need to
we know
at
you're
all.
not.
I know I'm not. I know now.
If you're cold, you are cold.
Yeah.
Go and put something on.
Should we like do an outro with the camera? Should we just be like, right, we're gonna chill by this fire and go to bed soon. We'll see you in the morning. Something like that.
Yeah, just you do exactly that, bro.
Oh gosh, that's too much pressure. Hope you've enjoyed following us on this adventure so far. It's been an absolutely lovely experience. Challenging, but very peaceful. We found a beautiful location and we've done really well with the fire. Really kept us warm.
No footage is going to do it justice with them stars.
Oh, the stars are amazing.
Yeah. So we're going to sit by the fire now and feed it the last few pieces of wood that we've got and then
Bedtime.
head off to bed. Yeah, it's quite late now. I think it's about 11 PM.
It's 12, I think.
12? Is it
Yeah,
midnight?
it's midnight.
Oh, wow, time has flown. Time really has flown. So we shall see you in the morning. Morning, brother. I'm quite glad the geese woke us up early.
I know, yeah. I was more woke up by the light, to be honest.
Yeah, the light, yeah. And my tent was getting really warm with the sun beating down on it. Yeah, it's getting like a sauna. Not too bad, in a nice way.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I was wondering, I was like, do I need to put my coat on? Is it going to be cold outside my tent? It is.
It's much colder outside.
It's
your tent.
much colder. Jacob's just woken up. How did you sleep, brother?
Not bad. Cooler than last time.
Utilising at my best. I've got my little cup holder there. I'm charging my phone with the sun.
It's that time of the morning. We're all ready for a coffee. You are meant to ignite the Jetboil with the cup off, then you're meant to put the cup on, then you put it on full blast.
There's Liam's camping mug.
I didn't know you like camping, mate.
Yeah, I've been a couple of times.
I think the Jetboil's going to beat me to it. It's going to beat me to it. It's a race against the Jetboil.
It is rapid.
Imagine a film, go outdoors and race against the Jetboil.
59 seconds film.
That's why they have the fill light.
Mine did that yesterday.
Oh my gosh.
Bit landed on me while I was trying to turn it off.
Cheeky spider. Alright mate, you go down there.
You're not having one of our brews.
No spiders woke up in my hair today, that was nice.
No spuders.
No spuder, so will they become spuder, man?
That's upsetting.
I know, mate. My Jetboil doesn't work. Did you fill it past the fill lane? No.
We've seen your videos. Edit everything out that might void a warranty.
Smart, smart. Wow, the olive oil's gone solid. That's what olive oil looks like when it's cold.
Holmes, that's olive paste.
It'll all look the same when it's in the pan.
Right, we're done. Absolutely quality night. Left no trace, so no one's going to know we're there.
Gonna carry on the adventure now. Explore a bit more of the area. Take a different route back.
Yep, the next plan is now to go up here, go across and try and get to a bank over there that we've seen, so we might be able to skip some rocks and maybe get the shepherd's sling out. So yeah,
This is very boggy.
Just got to navigate through this bog first.
Didn't realise how boggy it was here. There we go. Always watch where you're going. Don't focus on the camera too much.
Stop there, boys. We're down there.
This is going to be a bit of a scramble. Scramble.
Beautiful. Much too old for that, boys.
Yeah, you take it easy. Back on the path.
Oh, you can just go in.
Oh wow.
That is cool. That is so cool.
Oh, released too early. Oh no, this one.
Too soon. It's
Yeah.
hard to time. Hey, it was sent on its way.
Not far off that.
Really good.
You couldn't hit water if you fell out of a boat.
There you go.
Hey.
Sorted that.
Oh,
It's out. It's
gone.
Fell out.
It hit him in the leg.
Exactly where I was aiming.
Oh. Poor Jacob. Jake's just gonna hide.
Not a clue where it went.
It hit the top of that tree up there. You see it moving?
Did it actually go up there?
Yeah. It was a good shot, that. Go forward. Go a bit more forward, bro. Yeah, it flew. It flew back. It went over there.
I felt it come out.
Right.
Oh.
Oh, hit Liam's bag.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah.
It's too risky. It's too risky, boys.
It's weird because you can't let go when it's right in front of you, but you have to let it go at the point where
It's just.
it's the momentum's going forward.
It's gonna be a rhythm thing.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a feeling thing. You can't really think about when you're gonna let go. You just gotta feel it.
Wait.
Oh, I nearly caught it.
Almost.
It's figured out. You just go slow on the first rotation, fast on the second. So.
Way. Hey Jordan, you see what this place is made out of?
Someone's unfinished food.
Cinder blocks. It's made of cinder blocks. Big swan. More here.
Here's where we began.
Oh. Beautiful. Well, another successful mission.
Another adventure completed.
Absolutely amazing.
It's been
Absolutely incredible, boys.
It's been a quality one again. Again, as always.
As always,
actually.
yeah.
I say it every time.
It was a good spot. It was a fantastic spot.
Yeah, we did
Yeah.
well finding that spot. We searched hard for that.
What was starting to look like the impossible.
Almost failure.
Yeah, there was spaces, but they just weren't ideal. I had my doubts big time about where we ended up.
Yeah.
'Cause
Yeah.
I have camped in the open, but it's never my go-to choice.
It was very open.
But
Yeah.
you know, I ate my words on that one because
It was beautiful,
What?
yeah.
beautiful,
We seen
peaceful.
nobody.
Once we were at camp, it went without a hitch.
Fire got going pretty quickly.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
They were brilliant, them cotton balls.
Yeah, cotton wool balls, doused in Vaseline, and some dryer wool donated from my brother.
Yeah,
Thanks, bro.
There's a pro tip. Now the car is just
Round the corner.
down there.
Yeah.
And that's,
There's nothing more to be said, to be honest. I think,
everything
It has
speaks
come,
for
it's
itself.
come to the end.
and I hope the footage did it justice, which is almost impossible, really. I
Yeah.
mean, just now the sun's shining on us, and Really don't want to leave, I'm going to be honest. Until the next adventure, we'll see you then.
So if you're bored and you want to give us a call, please feel free to do so. It's always nice to hear from you, pal. And until I do hear from you, keep smiling, keep well, and see you soon, pal. Alright?